What's going on? I hope all is well with you. Today I'm gonna be dealing with an issue that's been bothering me for a while, and that is a crack in the dashboard. Let me show you. See, the crack goes from here all the way down, and there's a crack over here as well. Wow, this is getting bad. Yeah, I decided to go ahead and get this taken care of. Trying to build a show vehicle, and you can't have a show vehicle if you got a crack in the dashboard. Not only that, I mean, it cramps my style, you know. Having these cracks in the dashboard, just, I can't have that. I can't have that. Let me show you what I'm gonna go with to correct this situation. I decided to go with a dash skin cover. It's already painted, pretty much the same color as what I have in the vehicle already. So they have other colors as well, and they also have it in black where you can custom paint it to your specification. Seemed pretty simple to install. If you do go this route, be sure to test fit it first so that everything lines up and you don't have to do any trimming or anything like that. Tools that you need: some strips of cardboard, some alcohol, some tape. I would suggest getting 2 tubes of silicone. My dash skin came with 2 tubes of silicone. So, and something to weight the dash down. I got some books right here. All right, I'm gonna start off by wiping the dash off with the alcohol just to remove any grease, oil, anything like that. So get a good bond with the silicone. I'm gonna wipe the whole thing down. Get the dirt off. Ooh, pretty grimy. Yeah, I think this is a pretty good option to go with, to be honest with you. I did want it to go with putting leather on the dashboard, but with the vents, the front bezel to the dash, I just didn't think it would come out right. I didn't think it was gonna look right, and I prefer to do things right. Make sure that it doesn't look monkey. You know, I mean, what's the point of doing it if you're gonna make it? If it's gonna come out looking monkey? That's pretty nasty. I probably should have used some soap and water first. You're gonna be sure to get all the grease and oil off, so you get a good bond with your silicone. Now, you're not gonna have to bond it. Put the silicone on the whole dash. I'm just wiping it down just to make it clean. Not only do you want to wipe the dash down, but you want to wipe down your dash cover as well. Remove any oil or grease. Wipe it down. Now be careful. This is pretty thin, but it will do the job. Just be careful. Wipe it down real good because I don't want to have any problems. Blood it all. Be careful with your alcohol. It appears it will take the paint off. So just wipe down the underside. Be careful where you put your hands with the alcohol. I'm gonna start laying down a bead of silicone. Probably gonna be about a 1/2 inch in. 1/2 inch in from the edge. It's a good idea to test fit it in this outline where you want to lay down the silicone. You don't want to take it to the edge because the silicone, when you press it down, is going to spread some, and it minimizes cleanup. See, 1/2 inch from the edge, should be good to go. Let me put some right in here as well. Now I'm gonna put some silicone over that crack as well because I don't want it to squeak. Like I said, I suggest getting two tubes of silicone just to make sure, because I'm about out on this one. All right, I got my silicone in place, as you can see. Got it all laid out to make sure I get good adhesion. All right, let's go ahead and put it in place. I'm fitting the dash cover in place. I didn't anticipate that needing to be moved, but we got him. All right. Get this fitted in place and we deal with the other side. Put this in place. As you can see, I got my tape down. I'm gonna use the cardboard pieces for that in the front. Hold that down. Before I move on to the other side, I want to jam a couple of pieces of cardboard in over here on the side to hold this side in place. Boom! Move over. I'm gonna have to do the same thing on this side as well. Put a couple of pieces of cardboard and I'll grab my books. Put in a few pieces of cardboard on this side as well, so we get good adhesion. Don't want to have any squeaky. I don't want it to look monkey. I will do got a few spots where the silicone did squeeze out, but no big deal. Overall, everything is in place. Got it weighted down, got it taped up in place. Got cardboard on that side. Put some tape right here. Bet you're saying, well, hey man, how you gonna get out? You got cardboard right there. You got cardboard right there. Hey man, just watch. Just watch. I'm gonna get out. All right, so I got everything taped down, cardboard in place. Just gonna let this sit up for several hours, and it should be good to go. All right. Here's the dash in place, glued in place, as you can see. The fit and finish It's nice. It's nice. Real nice. I would definitely recommend this to anyone else that's in a similar situation where the dash is cracked. But it came out nice. I would definitely do it again. Please hit the subscribe button below. You'll see me transform this Chevrolet Suburban into a showpiece. Thanks for watching. Till next time.